until now we know about Binance Smart Chain and the respective yield farms, which they provide very good APRs. But apart from Binance Smart Chain, we can find yield farms in other blockchains like Avalanche, Huobi, and others. Today we are going to see how we can interact with Avalanche blockchain and the respective yield farms. Here I have found a very good picture from Penguin app. This is a yield farm in Avalanche blockchain, but I want to show you the steps. Initially, we have the central exchange. I see Gate.io, Bitfinex, KuCoin, Binance, where you can buy AVAX, Avalanche token, AVAX. Here, the next two steps concern Avalanche wallet. So, from a centralized exchange, you buy AVAX and then you send them in X chain in Avalanche wallet. Now we are inside Avalanche wallet and we convert X chain to C chain. C chain is in Ethereum virtual machine. This means that this wallet C chain is beginning from 0x and is like an Ethereum wallet, but it is on Avalanche blockchain again. Then from Avalanche wallet we can send this AVAX to MetaMask. In this step we will see how we can set up MetaMask in order to use it in Avalanche blockchain. So now we have MetaMask ready and we have our AVAX tokens inside it, so we can connect to an exchange or to a yield farm. Pangolin is probably the most famous exchange and also farm in Avalanche blockchain. Here you can see other steps, but don't get confused. Here it says Pangolin and then Penguin app. If you want to go in a farm, let's say Penguin app, and don't be confused about this, because you can just directly go inside Penguin app and do the exchange, sell your AVAX and buy something else, because they already use Pangolin exchange. You don't have to go in their website. So we suppose we have already bought our AVAX, this one, so we have to open our Avalanche wallet and receive our exchange address. Here we are, wallet AVAX network, create new wallet, generate key phrase, it gives you here, you have to copy it and save it. I have already done it, so I have created a wallet. After you have created, you go to access wallet, you select the way you want to log in the wallet. I select mnemonic key phrase. In general, this is, let's say, more dangerous. You can use Keystore or a ledger if you have one. But for our example, and in order to be quicker, I will use this one. Don't worry, these wallets are just for testing. I don't have any money in there. So you just use your mnemonic phrase and we are waiting in order to log in Avalanche wallet. It takes some seconds until it opens the wallet. Okay, now we are inside. Here you can see your wallets. You see that it has three chains, X, P, and C. If you have bought AVAX token from Binance, KuCoin, or another exchange, you should probably use this one. This is the wallet that you need, the X1. The P1, I haven't used it. It says here it is about staking. I don't use it. And the C, it is it begins with 0x, it is in Ethereum virtual machine. This is what we will use with MetaMask. But in the beginning, let's say that you bought AVAX from Binance, you have to use this wallet and send AVAX in this wallet. So you will receive them here. So now we have to change to C-chain. We go in cross-chain, source is X, and we want to go in C. You press max or whatever you want in AVAX, so you convert them in C-chain. So now you have them in this wallet. And then you go to send. Again, we select C-chain, whatever you want to send, the address, and confirm. So from this wallet you can send them to MetaMask, but MetaMask, it is not ready. So I have found this article from AVAX. I will write the link. Let's do it together. We go to MetaMask and settings, networks, add network. Here we can see the settings. Come on. Add custom network. Okay, perhaps I have to write it. AVAX network. Chain ID 0xA86A AVAX and C-chain explorer avax.network. Save it. Network ext mbc c rpc. Let's check it this way, see if it works. Okay. So this is it. Now we are in Avalanche blockchain. So we have sent our tokens in here, we have converted them in C-chain, and now from C-chain we send them to MetaMask. So from here, the address that we select is the one in MetaMask. We copy here, paste it, and send our AVAX token. Okay, so now we are here, and with MetaMask, this is it. With MetaMask, now you can connect to an exchange or a yield farm. We will use the example of Pangolin. Let's go here, connect to a wallet. It has the selection of MetaMask. Connect, and you see it is already connected. So from here it will show you the AVAX that you have, and you can exchange it with another token with whatever you want. Let's say that you want Pangolin, you do this and you buy the tokens that you want. Also, it has here the liquidity mining. So you can see from here the pairs that it has. You already have AVAX, perhaps you want to go in this pair, you will buy some PNG, Pangolin, and you can deposit, and here you can see the pool rate and the reward. In order to be easy for you to calculate your reward, use this last line, because it says how many Pangolin you will win per week and per AVAX. So there are farms, you can go in Pangolin or other farms, but you can also use, for example, Biffy. Let's connect also in here with MetaMask. Biffy, if you don't know it, it uses auto compound. So you can find the same pairs, but they auto compound. Here you can select the platform. For example, you only want to see Pangolin pairs. These are the pairs. So you can invest in the pair that you would like. Again, the difference between a farm and a yield optimizer like Biffy is in here. If you go in Pangolin and invest, let's say in this pair, you are earning PNG, Pangolin. This is what you earn. If you find, let's find the same pair in here, but in you invest, this is the same pair. If you invest in here, it auto compounds, but what does it do? Biffy also earns PNG, Pangolin, but it sells Pangolin in order to create this LP token, and at the end you are earning this LP token. Okay, let's say it again. In here, if you invest in here, you earn PNG. If you invest in here, you earn this LP token. Okay, this is it. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe.